In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Binance to CoinStats so you can track your Binance portfolio in real time or near real time. This process is incredibly straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure there's no confusion. Let's dive right in and start on the Binance side of things. First, you'll need to log into your Binance account via a web browser. This is typically easier to manage on a PC due to the larger display. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your account settings and click on API Management. This section is where you'll create the necessary credentials to connect Binance to CoinStats. Click the Create API button. Here, you'll be prompted to choose a name or label for your new API key. You can name it something memorable like CoinStats Tracker. After you've settled on a name, complete the required security verifications. These verifications could include email and phone confirmations, or they might request you to use a two-factor authentication app like Google Authenticator. Once your API is created, Binance will provide you with two essential pieces of information: the API key and the secret key. It's crucial to copy both of these details somewhere secure immediately, especially the secret key, as Binance will only display it once. A vital tip to remember here is to adjust the API permissions. Ensure that you enable only the options for reading balances and transaction history. Do not enable withdrawal or trading permissions if you intend to use this connection solely for tracking your portfolio. Now, let's move over to the CoinStats side to link the API key. You have the flexibility to do this on the CoinStats website or through their mobile app. If you're opting for the web version, log into your CoinStats account on your browser and head to the Portfolio Tracker tab. Here, click the portfolio icon, often found in the top right corner of your screen, and select Connect Portfolio or Add Account Exchange. From the list of exchanges, choose Binance and paste the API key and secret you obtained from Binance. After connecting, you'll see which of your Binance accounts you can sync, like spot or futures, if applicable. You can now choose the ones you want to include. Alternatively, if you're using the CoinStats mobile app, start by opening it and heading over to the Portfolio tab. Tap the Plus or Connect Portfolio/Add Account button. Again, choose Binance from the list of exchanges. At this point, you can either scan a QR code if CoinStats provides it with your API details, or you can manually input the API key and secret. Once everything is entered, confirm or save your settings, and then select which Binance wallets you'd like to include in your tracking setup. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've seamlessly connected your Binance account with your CoinStats portfolio tracker. This setup ensures that you'll have real-time updates of your assets, helping you monitor your investments more effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy tracking.